go feed, and I looked over. We just had 2 babies, and they're like new because they're still bloody and stuff. The mom's cleaning them up.
All right, let's go check it out.
Bear wants to come.
They're like really muddy. They can barely stand.
Playing on the microgreen pile. So there's 2 there. 3, 4, 5. We just had 2 more twins, so 6, 7, and we've lost 2 so far. And there's Penelope.
Clean up, baby. That baby needs it. Good mama.
Bears.
Good mama. Huh? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get you, girl. I'm gonna get you, girl. I'm gonna get you, girl. Come here. You little red thing's frozen. Her little wingding's frozen.
Let's call her Comb.
The comb's frozen, baby. Don't protect you.
Dylan, while we're out here checking on things, you want to tell them what happened to you yesterday?
Yeah. So, we're at our grandma's and she has like a little creek at her house. And me and Gavin like to go down there. And there's like a log falling off. So we climbed
It had fallen over the creek.
Yeah.
We were climbing on it.
And the water was all frozen and I slipped off because there was ice on it.
You were climbing on the tree that was across the creek?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
How tall do you think it was?
7
How high
feet.
up do you think you were?
7 feet, probably.
And I slipped off and landed like on my head and my shoulder all twisted up.
He landed like this, kind of hit his head, and then landed on his shoulder.
That was a
Yeah.
scary moment, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was
He, like,
scary for all of us.
he stood up, and he just had the blank expression.
Nothing.
Knock,
then-
knock the breath out of you.
Yeah. And then it was this morning, right? He said all he could see was her eyes,
Yeah.
our mom's eyes.
Things started
Yeah.
getting dark on you, didn't they?
Yeah.
You almost went out on us.
Yeah.
That was scary. And then Gavin and I went back and forth walking to haul you out of there, didn't we?
Yeah, we were like
Yeah.
walking on ice and like walking up the hills and over logs, and
Yeah, because
there she goes.
there's a bunch of trees just falling over there for I don't know why. But
It was scary.
It was
Pretty sure you got a concussion out of it.
yeah.
Oh,
So
yeah.
we've been taking it easy, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. How you feeling today?
Better.
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 Anything hurt?
Just my shoulder.
Shoulder
sore.
hurts a little bit. And then this morning when you went to get up, you kind of got a little dizzy, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, poor
I got
thing.
dizzy.
I remember
We've
that.
had enough ice head injuries. Gavin did the same thing when they were having fun on the pool the other day with the ice.
Yeah, we were on the ice, kind of just going around it, kind of playing. And he grabs my arm and I slip and I couldn't catch myself and
Yeah.
Busted
hit
your head.
first. Yeah.
And you were dizzy for a couple
Dizzy
days
for a
after
couple
that.
days, yeah.
Yeah.
I hit like right here and he hit
right
Like-
here.
His whole head right here.
Yeah, like this whole side.
We're done with the ice.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm tired of this ice.
yeah,
He's
Okay.
nursing good.
yeah.
That one is pretty small. Looks a little weak, but she looks like a little tiny one. She's
Yeah.
nursing now, so that's a good sign.
Yeah.
Her tail's
Mama's,
trying to wag.
yeah, tail's waggling. Mama's cleaning. So far so good.
Yeah, look up.
Alright, so we're gonna go feed our sheep and then we're gonna check on those new babies later tonight. And we're also gonna feed Ralph later tonight because that's usually when we feed him. And yeah, we'll check back with you.
He's big.
Oh!
He is getting so big.
Holy crap.
This is one of the first ones, I think.
Yeah.
Wanna hold him?
I don't think I can hold him.
He's big.
Yeah.
Oh! Ow! You kicked me!
Alright.
Oh.
Like and subscribe. Share our videos. See you next time. Bye.